Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Atul Marwa and I'm happy to be back with you. I represent Prime Options, which is a well entrenched and well regarded real estate consultancy company with a focus in NCR, Gurgaon micro market. We bring forward comprehensive analysis which constitutes cutting edge consultancy in all aspects of real estate, the facets which include residential, commercial, build to suit office spaces, portfolio management services, exclusive mandates which we execute for select clients, and assist in making and helping you make risk mitigated investments which are well considered, which offer an ROI which is the stuff legacies are made of. We believe that if service wasn't important and if variety wasn't confusing, we would have no reason to be in business. I had brought forth to you a value proposition from Prisumi the last time we got in touch, and this time I've got another very interesting recommendation which comes from Godrej, a property called Meridian based in sector 106 in NCR Gurgaon on its northern peripheral road axis. This property is completely owned by Godrej, the land bank, as well as the development is being created on a turnkey basis by Godrej. It has got iconic towers which constitute three bedroom and a servant and a 4-bedroom offering and a limited inventory of penthouses. There's a superfluous club offering as well which offers every possible amenity one can desire or hope to have. If you are willing to wait for 3 years, this is the property you should seriously consider. If you have a budget which extends from about 1.9 to about 5 crores, depending on the offerings you decide to choose. This would bring you manifold advantage. One, it's a proximity to Delhi and the social infrastructure, and also offerings which are co-located with other very well-known and well-entrenched developers which are fully ready, including a villa offering from Soba, and also its proximity to the northern peripheral road, the advantage of location, a well-conceived offering, rich in specifications, and a return of investment which I would assume would give you about 3 to 4x return on investment in about a span of an IRR of about 7 to 8 years, which would actually stand in equivalence with equity in any large company and a blue chip company, and that therefore of course the advantage of living in a space which is extremely exclusive and well conceived. I look forward to interfacing with you in times to come. You can get in touch with me or my staff to arrange a site visit for this location, or reach out to me for any of the services you wish us to give to you, and we assure you of advantage in every context when we get in touch. We look forward to being in touch with you again with another value proposition next week. Thank you very much.